Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, we'll see about the length function only. Length function. Okay. So let me tell you about why I'm telling you about length. Okay. So because in data analysis or data engineering or data science, uh, you might come across so many number of times that you are required to count the length of the strings or uh, or date or numeric anything. Okay, because you need to compare one column with other, one column of one table with another column of another table, and that's why length is very length plays a very crucial role in your data analysis process. So what is length? So as per length suggest, it will just it will just count the total number of strings, total number of words or letters, or if it is a string it will count total number of letters. If it is number, then it will count total number of numeric digits, and if it is date it will count total number of uh, date digit as strings. Okay, so so suppose I have one string like hello. Okay, so now what does length will do? length operator will Length operator will apply on this hello. Okay, length operator will apply on this hello. All right, and then it will count the digit in it: 1 2 3 4 and 5, and the answer will be 5. Let's see why I'm telling you. Let's see about the practical part. Okay, so I'm just using retail db2. Nothing matters because I'm going to tell you without retail db2. Select length length suppose hello. Okay, from, can I run this? Yes, I can run this. If you want to just check, okay, if you want to just check, okay, why I'm able to run this, can you explain why I'm able to run this? I'm not selecting from, I'm not applying from clause here. Can you see that? Can you observe this? I'm not applying from. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so can you see I'm not applying from here? Can you see it? Okay,
Yes, sir.
but I will tell you why I'm going able to run this. So there is a concept of dual tables. Okay, the dual tables in Oracle, it is spelled as dual tables. Okay, dual tables. But in MySQL you can run it without giving any name. Okay, so if you want to uh, check something, you are not going to create table and insert record in it and do blah blah blah, right? You just need to check the length of this, or you want to perform some string substring, you want to check the position of some this string or something else. It means small task, small course. Okay, small course. Then you don't have to specify even the table name. Okay, you don't have to specify from orders. Okay, or from anything, or you don't have to create table and insert record into it and then do your operation. You can just do like this, what I have done. Just run it and you will see. You will, but you will see the output, but this is for small tasks. Okay, this is not something that you are going to store somewhere, right? It is not going to be stored anywhere. It is just an output. Okay, so also if this is a true basically what it is, this is a true false statement. Okay, this is a true false statement. It returns true false statement. Okay, but with a value. Okay, so you can do select star from orders. It doesn't mean if you are selecting it from orders or not, it will still run. It will still run. Okay, it will still run until 68,000 records. Okay, because it's a false statement, right? It's a false statement. You are going to count hello, but length of hello is nowhere column in the, no string in the orders table. Okay, it's a false statement, right? It's a false statement because you don't have any
Yes, sir.
column like this. Okay, or you don't have any string hello like this. Okay, so it is just a false statement. Okay, so you just want to that was one small tricky thing what I have told you. Okay, so length plays an important role, what my point was. Okay, so now I will tell you how to check. How can you check? So see, there are four columns: order id, order date, order customer id, and order status. Okay, so see, I'm going to focus on these two: order date and order status. So check you want to check distinct order status, distinct order status count. Okay, okay, you just want to check distinct order status count. How will you do? You will do select distinct length, means you want to check distinct order status length. I mean to say that length order status from retail db.orders as ln. Just put ln and see what you will get. Sum is of 6, sum is of 15, sum is of 8, sum is of 10. Okay, so in that case what you will do, you will put the order status as well. I don't want this one, I want this as well. Okay, now you will get the distinct order closed is 6, closed, and that makes sense. Closed, that is a 6 letter word. Pending payment, pending is 7, and underscore is 8, and 3 3 6, and yes, 7 is 15, 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so now you see, you can see how much uh, convenient it is. So you want to arrange how it is, how what is the large, what is the largest word I have in this column. How will you do that? So order by this one. Okay, order by this one. Okay, in descending order. Okay, so I'm not going to type this one, I will just type order by 2dec. I am lazy. And see, 15 is the largest pending payment. Okay, and suspected fraud is also 15, so these are on the top. Then 14, 10, 8, something something something. Okay, did you get this? Did you get this? I think you didn't get this, but uh, just let me know what you are not getting this. uh, but let me tell you one more example so that you will be more clear. Order date, I want to count this one. If you are not able to count this one, just do order date. Okay, just do order date, just do length of order date. I'm just copying this, I'm not ordering these things. Okay, only one it will come. Why? Because all dates are of same length. Can you see? All dates are same length. So order date, and you can see only one record will be, only one row will be there, 19. Okay, okay. And when you count 1 2 3 4 2 2, and that makes sense, 10 here, 8 6 to 8 and one space, 9. Okay, 90, and that's fine. So it will count total number of letters in it, means digits plus a space plus hyphen and plus this column in it, and that makes 19. So that's what I have explained you in this class. So do you have any query regarding this? If you're not able to get this, length simply, in short, length simply calculates, counts the total number of letters or digits. Okay, or a special character as well, like a space, comma, dash, underscore, colon, etc. Okay, so length, and through length, length is very useful. As I said, length is very useful in your data analysis scenario, because length just provides you flexibility to compare your column length. Okay, when you create your column, your backup table, or some relational table related to one table, um, you you might get to create according the your you might get to create according to your existing data sets, existing table data set. So how much varchar it will be, how much uh, what number of what is the length of a string in the other table would be. So like this you can create. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.